Hey guys, Matt with CJ Off-Road here. Now in front of me on the table, I've got Redline Tuning QuickLIFT Plus Strut Kit for the 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL, as well as the 2020 and newer Jeep Gladiator. Now a hood strut kit is a great feature for the Jeep Wrangler or Gladiator, and honestly it's kind of surprising that in this day and age it's not factory on these vehicles. Now with the Redline kit, you are going to get both struts here, as well as completely bolt-in brackets, and the only tool you need for this entire installation is going to be a 10mm socket and a ratchet. All you got to do is pop your hood, install a couple of these brackets, and you'll have a nice durable strut system that as soon as you pop the latches on the side and release your hood catch, your hood will go right up and stay right where it needs to. This is a great feature to have on your Jeep Wrangler or Gladiator, and today we're going to show you how to get it installed on my 2020 Gladiator Rubicon. Now to get this installed on your Jeep JL or Gladiator, the first thing you want to do is prop open your hood, and then we're actually going to go to this back corner of our hood compartment, and we're going to look for this one 10mm bolt. Go ahead and grab our 10mm socket and get that removed first. So then we'll go ahead and get this pulled off. Now what you're going to grab is the number 28 bracket. So you see the Redline Tuning logo, there's a number 28, and that's going to simply sit right like this. And you can see this little section is going to hook over that inner pinch seam, and then we're going to put our bolt and washer back into place. And we're going to want to push that towards the back, pressing tight on there. Grab our 10mm socket and get that tightened up. Get that nice and tight. Now in order to get this upper bracket installed, you're going to use your number 30 piece, and it's going to sit just like so. You're going to pull your weather stripping down and then actually just tighten down the lower bolt, and you just want to barely into the threads on the back so you still have play with this. And then what I'm going to do is start to push it in at the top, and then the bottom will slot right in. Now honestly guys, it took a little bit off camera to do, but you can get it on like that. I just like to twist it and kind of get that one lined up behind it. Grab our other 10mm bolt. Get that one started as well. Just be very diligent with this. You don't want to drop that down through. So we're going to go ahead and snug that one up by hand, snug that one up by hand, and then grab our 10mm socket and ratchet and tighten these down. So just snug this down using your 10mm socket. Get that on both there. And then repeat the exact same process on the other side with both of your brackets that you have left over. This one will be the same, a number 30. The one on the passenger side is going to be a number 29 stamped into that. Now we can get our struts on, so we'll show you how to get that. Now it's time to install our QuickLIFT Plus strut onto the hood here. Now you're going to want the shaft side towards the bottom, and your actual body side is going to be at the top of the hood. Now on the bottom here, you'll see this small release. Now what that's for is that if you do have to remove this to flip your hood all the way up, you can just simply push this down. The top body will stay up there, but you can completely flip your hood up if you need to do some maintenance or want some more light in there. But first we're going to get this clipped onto the bottom just by pushing it. You can hear a small clip, now that is in. And then up top here, we just got to push the hood up a little bit and clip that in as well. So now those are both clipped on there. All of our brackets are tightened down. We can repeat the exact same process on the other side with that strut, and the install is complete. Okay guys, we got both sides installed. Now we're gonna pop our hood latches. So we'll pop that side, pop our driver's side, and then we'll release the catch. You push it up about halfway. Gives you a nice clean opening there. And that's it, you don't have to put your hood prop down. You can completely work on everything. You've got it supported by both struts here. Absolutely a nice and easy install using only one tool, so I would highly recommend this. Well guys, after about literally 10 minutes, even on camera, we got these struts installed on my 2020 Gladiator Rubicon. And I gotta tell you guys, I'm extremely pleased with this install, especially the way that they went on. Everything bolts on using factory hardware, and we only had to get a 10mm socket and ratchet to get this done, which I'm sure everyone, unless you lost it at home like most of us mechanics, has a 10mm socket in your garage. These make a great present to that loved one or friend in your life that's got a JL or Gladiator, and we also have them available for a ton of other vehicles. So if you've got a truck, if you've got other year Jeeps, definitely check out the website as we probably have one fitting your vehicle. Now, until next time, guys, I'm really happy with this install. This is gonna make working on the Jeep and opening the hood a lot more easy. With this thing lifted up in the air, you can see that that hood is definitely up pretty high there, and taking that prop down can be awkward, so this is definitely gonna fix that problem for us. Now, if you wanna check out these Redline Tuning QuickLIFT Plus Strut Kit for your 2018 and newer JL, as well as your 2020 and newer Gladiator, be sure to visit cjponyparts.com.